When the politicians tell us that we have to learn to live with COVID, what they really mean is that we have to learn to die with it. This week, COVID restrictions in Ontario are being lifted and the province is reopening. This means no more capacity limits or proof of vaccination requirements. COVID is an airborne virus that spreads through social interaction. With lifting restrictions, more people will inevitably get sick, and with more people getting sick, a new variant will inevitably arise. And there's no guarantee that new variants will be any less deadly than the old ones. Yes, the government's COVID response so far has been disastrous, and people are right to be sick of it, but that's because they've put profit over lives. They've put restrictions on social gatherings while non-essential businesses stay open and workers are put in harm's way. We've seen a reduction in isolation periods, lack of paid sick days, lack of rapid tests, lack of hazard pay for workers. And all of this was on top of an already declining healthcare system thanks to decades of cuts. Why has this criminal mismanagement of the pandemic been allowed? The answer is to keep profits flowing. If the working class was in charge of the pandemic response, we could have stopped the pandemic ages ago. Without worrying about maintaining profits, we could have had a real lockdown and paid people to stay home. We could have had workers decide when it was safe to return to work. We could have had a proper supply of PPE and tests. As long as the capitalists are in charge, they will continue to put profit over people's lives. The only solution to this pandemic is democratic workers' control over health and safety.